Hello guys, so I have recently been to India and I shopped for quite a few things and I thought I'll run you guys through my little shopping spree. Let's quickly start with a smaller bit of accessories and random things. So first what I got from India are the books. I got a couple of books because I want to inculcate reading. So I got something from Joseph Nugent, Don't Believe in Everything You Think. Then I was actually with my dad watching quite a few podcasts of Raj Shamni, and I came across this book from him. The book is so we have a local market there in Mumbai, which goes by the name of Hill Road in Bandra. So you get a lot of trendy pieces and a lot of trendy accessories there. So I got quite a few things from there as well. Starting with, as you people can see, there's a lot of these kind of hair clips in trend these days. So I just got a few of them. They're very cute, floral, and I like how they look on your hair when you clip them. So these are like quite a few clips that I got from the street market. Then another thing that has been in trend are these boho look belts. So I got two of these, one for my sister and one for myself. So again, it's more of a leather material, and then you can actually style them on white or black flowy dresses. I'm actually planning to do maybe a style video on the same. So while I was at the airport, I got myself one mascara from MAC. It's a nice mascara which I'm wearing right now. Also another lip shade which says Get the Hint. It's a very nice nude shade, very appropriate for the day wear and summers. So this is what I got in the makeup. Next, what I bought is a random clutcher from H&M. I like the color. It's a very popping red, hence I got this for myself. Few other bits that I got for myself is this bag from Accessorize. You can see this cute little keychain. These days we have this lot of bag charms in trend, and I got this one in the shape of dog from Westside. Westside has got a major glow up these days, guys. And moving forward to the random bits, this my sister, when she had visited, I had ordered myself a massager. So basically it's a face massager with three lightings: green, blue and red. So basically this is how you apply cream or something and you massage your face upwards just to get that definition to your cheekbones. So I like this hammered pattern which is going on these days in the cutlery, and they look super cute. And as you can see, they have this hammered kind of look. And then, so I think another final thing that I got in the last accessories bit is this bag from Tommy Hilfiger. Again, it's a little mini carry bag. Moving forward to the major bits of this video is the clothing. So first thing first, I got these jeans, flare jeans from Levi's. So this one is again another more of a broad jeans, which is usually in trend these days. Then I got quite a few things from H&M. So my sister, when she had visited India, I had asked her to get me some linen shirts. So this is what I had. She had got me a linen shirt in pink color, very pretty pink color. And this time when I visited, I also bought another few colors in linen shirt, few of them which I have given to her. So this is one brown color, and then this nice pink stripe. Again, I've already worn them. Then coming to some of the cords. So these days cords are a lot in trend, and you can see a lot of it in the H&M H&M store. So I got a lot of cords from H&M this time. So this one is more of crochet kind of material along with the shirt. This next coming forward, another set of shorts coupled with a denim shirt. So again, it's a cord. It's a nice shirt. Another cord is again linen. So this is a beautiful stripe blue shirt paired with shorts. Another one of my favorites in the cords is this one in the tiger print. I really like the print and the material. It's very soft, coupled with this shirt. So it will look very pretty once I wear it. And the last bit of the cords is this short, very nice. Like I like the I would say I would like the seam of the shorts, and we have a similar top in the same design, and it's a very girly, very summerish top. Coming to the final bits of the clothing, as I said, Westside has got up a major glow up this time, and I picked up a few pieces from Westside as well. So this frock or maybe a long dress with tie-up laces. It looks very nice, and I love the print actually. Another dress that I got from Westside is this one in green color. It's a very nice green bright color with the inbuilt belt. One more thing that I got from Westside is their footwear. Their footwear is really nice, so I bought this one from Westside. If you can see, this is more of a metal toe with a mesh detailing. It looks super pretty and super cute while on, and they're like very summer friendly footwear. Moving forward, another last few bits from H&M is this one t-shirt dress that I got myself. It for casual outings or just, you know, for summer casual outings. And one of my favorite pieces also this denim shirt dress. Imagine pairing up this with a nice waist belt like this. Too good. I think it would be a great combination. Both of them will make a great combination together. And while my sister was in India, she shopped for me a few big pieces then from Gap. So this is one dress that she got from Gap. I'm not very fond of it, but I'll try to style it in some of the other way. So it's more of a long, very long dress, and I think this is linen. But again, there's a lot of offers going on in Gap in India. So make sure if you visit Mumbai by any chance or any part of India, you can shop from there. Then again, this dress I liked. It's more of a formal dress. Again, this is from Gap. I like the print and I like the belt and the complete silhouette of the dress. So yeah guys, I think that's the entire shopping haul. Okay, just last one few bit. Here is this one shirt that I got from Max. Had this actually bag, see if you can see the tag is on. I had this bag with me since a long time. Luckily the Mumbai climate didn't reach to it and it is not damaged, so I thought of getting it with me here so that at least I can make a use out of it. So it's basically a nice clutch with this skull kind of a detailing, and it's super good in the quality because it's still good and healthy, because otherwise my footwear and everything, they have gone for a toss in Mumbai heat. So yeah, that's that all about my Mumbai haul.